What is up, everyone? If you want to see my results driving from Colorado Springs, Colorado, all the way to California, stick around. Now, my first section, I drove from Colorado Springs all the way up to Laramie, Wyoming. Now, driving all the way up, it cost me about $21, and I got 25.1 miles per gallon. What is up, everyone? So we are currently in Wyoming. Just went on 287 and just got to I-80. And I went from Colorado Springs all the way up to here in about like 3/4 of a tank. So we're filling her up. I got 25.1 miles a gallon. And let's see what we're gonna do from here to Salt Lake City. So we should get there about 12:30 in the morning. So let's keep on pushing. All right, made it to the hotel in Salt Lake City here. Let's check out the damage. We got a little less than a quarter tank left. Drove 384 miles. I got 22.8 miles per gallon. And then I have about 62 miles left on the tank. So I definitely can go pretty far over 400 miles on a tank, which is pretty sweet. So not too bad. It's a little bit lower than the 25.1 from earlier, just because I-80 has a lot higher speed limit, around 80 miles an hour. So definitely worked out good. What is up, everyone? It's an early morning here, and we are headed on our way to California. We got to get to Reno first, but we're cruising along. Alright, so it looks like my current MPG is right around 25, and I'm going 77 miles an hour, just cruising along here. As you see, we're about to go up a hill. No matter what the size hill is, it's always going to downshift. And the damage is $186.76. I drove about 25.27 miles per gallon and 1,306 miles. And I used about 51.7 gallons of fuel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe and keep on watching the content. Thank you so much.